morning. Hey, what are you applying for?
Ganda sir. Ganda.
Anbis. Okay, how many years work in a building? Sit down. You are Mr. Okay, can you introduce yourself and describe yourself?
I'm Rolly Bandalan. I'm
Sit down,
37
sit
years
down.
old.
Okay.
I'm Rolly Bandalan, 37 years old. From Leyte.
Okay. What else? Describe yourself.
Um, hard worker. Passionate.
Okay, how many years work in a building?
6 years sir.
What type of building? Building process, what type, what kind of building process?
Industrial sir and secured sir.
Okay. Okay, what is SMAW?
Scheduled metal art welding sir.
Okay, what do you mean by 3G? 3G in SMAW.
Sir. Vertical sir. Sure.
Vertical, or what do you mean by G? What is 60 position?
Vertical sir.
Okay. What size of the pipe?
Schedule lady sir.
No, size. It's not the thickness.
6 inches sir.
6 inches. There are two types of pipe. What are those two types of pipes? Seamless and the seamless pipe. Which pipe that are better compared to other pipe? All this. Which is better, seamless or the seamless pipe?
Single sir.
Seamless. Okay. Is that galvanized or black iron? PI pipe.
Iron sir.
Iron. Okay. So you are applying Pulan base.
Yes sir.
Do you know how to weld MIG?
Yes sir.
What is the size of wire?
0.8 sir.
2.8. What kind of gas you use in MIG?
Yes sir.
Not oxygen. You cannot use oxygen when you're using MIG wire. GMAW. What type of gas? That's CO2 or argon?
CO2 sir.
Okay, what is the difference between argon and CO2? What is the difference between GMAW and IFCAW?
Gmail sir. Ifco sir. Black sir.
Wire lamig.
No black sir.
So the wire, what is the size of IFCAW wire?
2.1.
Is that 2.1? Are you sure? 2.1? Is that millimeter, inches?
1.2. 1.2 sir.
Okay. Before you are going to conduct a hot work, what is the permit that you are going to prepare before you are going to conduct a hot work?
Hard sir.
Kay gamit
Okay,
nila
who is
sir.
person
Unya
in
na
charge
na, sir.
of a hot work permit?
Yan na sir.
Ha?
Supervisor.
Supervisor?
Sige sir.
Okay. Okay, do you know how to use oxygen cutting and welding?
Sir.
No?
Yes.
Okay, what is the safety of cutting and welding?
SPPA sir.
BPA and what else?
Secure area sir.
Yes. You must Clear the area if there is a combustible material before you going to proceed at work. And then ask a hot work permit. Do you know how to use a lit machine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you compute the if you are going to machining a tapered? Tapered.
Use caliper, sir.
Caliper. What else? Do you know how to use a Vernier caliper? Ilamin mo na yung kuwan ko daw pala. Metro Sando, tablet lang. Excuse ko lang. Umutan ko yung ano ko. Excuse mo na sir ah. Wait lang. Ilamin mo kay Sir Pilay ang kuwan na to day. Ang
Yes, sir.
welcome from Tacloban.
Sir,
So, shout out your family there in Tacloban.
Out, kapatid ko.
Pinang sir.
Girlfriend.
Girlfriend? Is that girlfriend? No wife?
Sir.
Okay, same as like me. A lot of girlfriend. Okay, fine, 14.7 millimeter. Okay. Shout out sa ating mga viewers, sa ating mga subscriber. So ngayon, mapapalaban sila sa, bago sila magtapos dito sa ano natin. 1 month before, thank you. Shout out sa boyfriend mo, Miss Kila. Nia. X.
X-Men.
X-Men.
Hi, X.
Kantahan mo kaagad ng muling ibalik.
Hindi ka deserve.
Find another. Shout out sa mga ex ko dyan. Kahilira kayo. Mga Brazilian, Puerto Rican, Dominican Republic, Australian, Italiana,
Wow.
Brazilian, Thailander, Indonesian, Singaporean, Chinese, ni hao. 14.7 millimeter. Okay, good. Okay. So 355 millimeter. Okay, very good. So, if I hire you, Mr. If I will give you a chance, Mr. Huli, what what will be your contribution to grow up the company? Anong itutulong mo sa company para lalong mapalaki yung company?
Pabilis ang trabaho, sir.
Ha?
Pabilis ang trabaho.
Bilis ang trabaho, tapos kagad. Tapos uwi
May
kagad.
quality, sir. May quality yung trabaho.
Quality. Okay, good. Okay, congratulations. Okay, giniginaw ka. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, study more.
Yes, sir.
I'm not satisfied. Okay,
Sir.
more. Next. Giniginaw yung ano ko. Ako init na init. Kaya giniginaw yung mga ano ko. Shout out sa Pedro Kuyakoy, Kabakal Edward. Saka Maharlika Vlogger, Buljak TV. Shout out. Shout out sa mga ex. Uy, bago nating stop, pakilala na namin, kilala ko yung bago stop. Tsaka yung camera mo uma natin. Tsaka si Sir, ano yan, ano yan si Sir. Tsaka isa ito bunso, ano yan namin, bunso. Mayroon siyang banana ngayon kasi hindi late.
Hindi ako nagdala ng banana, sir.
Oo nga. Nasaan na yung mga pabatay-patay yung mga natin? Meron pa akong meeting.
Susunod, sir.
Tawagin mo. Si BJ. Yes, BJ. Yan din ako na in-interview ako.
Sir, mana ko sa simaw, sir.
Mana? Okay. Oh, anong sasabihin mo?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What's your name?
I'm PJ Garcia, sir.
Lizzie Garcia. Okay, what you're applying for?
Peter, sir.
Peter, okay. Hello, sit down. Okay, describe yourself.
I'm VJ Garcia, 31 years old. Uh, from Tarlac. I'm
Alak. Okay, Diripar. Okay.
I am honest. And self-motivated person.
Okay. Do you know how to welding ismaw?
Yes, sir.
Ismaw? What is the position of pipe? 2G position of pipe. Describe.
Horizontal, sir.
Pipe. Horizontal. Okay. Muna natin yung ano. Okay, horizontal position. What is the electrode you're going to use in road pass?
6011, sir.
11. And cupping. Electrode, final cupping.
7018, sir.
18. What do you mean by 70-18? 70, first two digit.
70 is for strength. Yes, sir.
Tensile strength.
Tensile strength. And 18 one
Third
is
digit.
position.
Position and last digit is
All kind of mineral, sir.
polarity.
Polarity.
Reverse and split polarity. Okay. What is the important in welding? Easy. Important in welding.
Safety, sir.
Safety. What do you mean by PPE? PPE. PPE. It stands for
Safety equipment.
no. That is your personal protective equipment. Oh my God, I hate drugs. Okay, so can you work with under pressure?
Yes,
Because
sir.
I know the job of the fitter on board is very hard.
Sir.
Hindi pa tapos yung trabaho mong isa, mayroon na namang isa. Ha?
Oo, sir.
So, hindi ka kaya mahilo sa alon.
Sir.
Yung ganun-ganun yung barko, oh. Ganyan yan.
Sanay na, sir.
Sanay na, alon. Okay. Okay, you know how to read dito sa step measuring tape. O fine, 27 inches and 3/16. Then convert to millimeter.
Sir.
Ha?
69.
Ito ang ano po?
27 ba, sir?
27 inches. 27 inches and 3/16. Then convert to millimeter. How many millimeter?
69.
69. For sure. 27 and 3/16. Okay, very good. You know how to use a lathe machine? Lathe machine? Where is your project?
Sir. Little bit lang, sir.
Ha?
Basic, sir. Basic.
Basic. If you are going to onboard the vessel, you must know how to use the lit machine. Okay. This is the project. One of our fitter already on board now. Okay, what's this?
Pipe trading, sir.
Pipe.
Trading.
What is the TPI? You use that reading in pipe. TPI. What do you mean by TPI? TPI.
Trade per inch.
Rate per inch. So what is the TPI for this? You don't know? Okay, what type of grid is this? Type of grid?
Acme, sir.
Acme. How many degrees the toll bit? Sharp reading of the toll bit.
29, sir.
29 degrees. Very good. What's this?
Hose fitting, sir.
For hose coupling connector. Okay. Nabasin mo nga siya, ano silip-silip nun si Punjobi. Ano? Pangutan na. Sa'yo gusto niya. What's this?
Steep turn, sir.
Ha?
Steep turn.
This one. What type of grid?
Sir, ito, sir.
Ito. Ito lang. Ito.
Steep turning, sir.
Step turning. It's not step turning. At least,
Meron, sir.
hindi kayo nakagawa niyan.
Meron, sir.
Sa square grid.
Ah, yung head ba, sir?
Ito. Ano yan, ilang degrees yung hasa ng topic? Ng square grid.
One, sir, 90 degrees.
Tapos na? Sunod, next. Ano mo nga? Next mo lang. 90 degrees.
Ito pa rin, sir.
Ito yung step na yan.
Yung head, sir.
8.
Kala ko yung board, sir.
Ano tong tawag dito sa thread sa
Inside thread, sir.
sa thread? Ano to?
Knurling, sir.
Knurling. Okay. Ano ang important sa trabaho ng fitter sa barko?
Safety.
Safety. So when you are using the lit machine, what type of PPE you are going to use?
Safety shoes, sir. Goggles.
Goggles. What else?
And overall.
Coverall. Are you allowed to coverall, loose coverall when you are using the lit machine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, coverall.
Ay,
Okay.
tutupi, sir.
You must roll.
Yes, sir.
What is the other extra precaution? Can you wear ring or watch?
No, sir.
No ring or watch during the lit machine operation. Facial and goggles, tissues, complete BPA. So after 10 years BG, what can you see about maybe what is your status after 10 years from now?
Mga successful, sir.
Successful. And you want to buy my company? And also married, a beautiful. Are you married or no?
Married, sir.
Married. Okay, good. How many kids you have?
Yes, sir.
3 kids. Oh. Your brother. You have brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many months now? How old your son, daughter?
10, sir.
10-year-old.
7 and 5, sir.
Okay, so malapit na matapos kayo, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Then this afternoon you will go in pipe fitting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so congratulations. Study more, ha? Study more,
Yes,
ha?
sir.
Okay, next, I think, Gio. Kung saan na posisyon, ha? Sa
Small, sir.
mouth,
Stick.
stick, top, 2G. Sigikan sa 2G, 3G, 4G, tapos 2G, 3G, 4G. Okay, come in.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. What is your applying position?
Peter Lycos.
Peter, how many years you work as a seaman, Peter?
I have no experience on
Okay, sit down.
thank you, sir.
No experience.
No, sir.
So how can you apply a Peter without experience?
I'm working for years, sir.
Shipyard, working how many years?
2 years experience.
2 years. Do you have a complete documents?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to read the history tape?
Yes, sir.
Okay, find 558 millimeter. Shout out sa ating cameraman, gandang cameraman. Seryosa masyado. Oh, ako ang kinabahan dito sa mga interview ko ngayon. Kabakal Edward, ito na yung papalit sa inyo. Saka si Pedrong Kuyakoy. 558. 558 millimeter. So, ibig sabihin, sabi seryoso yung ano ko. Okay, ilang centimeter? 500. Okay, 500. Dapat dito pa. Dapat dito pa. Yan. Kasi, 500, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Diba? Okay. Okay, what do you mean by SMAW?
Stick meter, sir.
SMAW, what do you mean by SMAW? What do you mean by SMAW?
Self-metal.
Soldate?
Self-metal arm.
Ano yung W?
Welding.
Welding. Okay. Do you know how to welding a overhead position?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by 4G? 4G. 4G.
20 degrees, sir.
4G, 4.
40.
Yes. That is belong to NC1. 4G. Is that vertical or overhead?
Vertical.
Reserve, vertical?
Overhead, sir.
Overhead. What do you mean by G?
Glove, sir.
Grove. Okay. It's not G-Loca, that is grove. Okay, in 6G5 position. Okay, what is the importance when you are going to welding a pipe?
Sa 45 degrees, sir.
45 degrees. And then, what is the size of the root landing? Thickness of root landing.
It's 50, sir.
Huh? Thickness. The
16, sir.
root landing. Root landing is very important to maintain the keyhole. Okay. So what is the size of the electrode? What is the size of your thickness of the root landing and the gap also? How many degrees the bevel of the pipe?
45, sir.
No. Not 45, that is 37.5 degrees. Plus 1 minus 1. Okay. So, do you know how to use oxyacetylene?
Yes, sir.
Gas welding and cutting?
Yes, sir.
What is the PPE?
Glove, sir.
What else?
Cover also. Glass.
Glass, goggles,
Goggles.
facial,
So,
okay,
shoes.
tissues. Prior to use the at work, what is the permit you're going to prepare?
Hot work permit.
Yes, especially in outside the workshop, building workshop, hot work permit. Who is the responsible for hot work permit?
First engineer, sir.
First engineer. First engineer or second engineer. Okay, if you are going to go to inside the tank, what type of permit you are going to prepare?
Hot Work permit.
No, inside the tank. Last time, many times I discuss enclosed space permit. Take note that one, Mr. Gio. You cannot go inside the tank directly without an entry permit or enclosed permit. Okay. Do you know how to use a lathe machine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have a drawing of the lathe machine?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Okay, what is this?
By site reading, sir.
Site reading.
Site reading and learning.
Okay. This one. What is this?
By
What type of trade this one?
Acme, sir. Acme
Acme.
trading.
So how many degrees the sharpening of the tool bit?
1 meter, sir.
No. Acme trade. Acme.
29 degrees.
How many?
29.
29. Okay. This is for what's this?
Post fitting, sir.
For hose.
Post fitting.
Fitting connector. This one. This one.
Stick turning, sir.
No, this is the turning. This one. This. What kind of
Screw.
square trade?
Square trade.
Okay, how many degrees? 12 bit.
90 degrees, sir.
Okay, degrees. Okay. Burner caliper. Do you know how to read burner caliper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 71.02 millimeter. Shout out sa ating cameraman, camera woman, inaantok na. Wala pang almusal. Shout out sa ating mga OFW sa saan man palap ng mundo. Shout out sa ating mga kababayan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So ngayon, ini-interview ko na yung mapapalit kay Pedro Kuyakoy at saka kay Kabakal Edward. Shout out sa nagpa-shout out sa ating YouTube channel. Hindi ko na maano yung mga ninyo pangalan. Ano yung sinabi ko? 71?
1.2, sir.
71.2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tingnan natin sa may wagang kulang kristal. Dapat ihigpit mo to. Okay, very good. So, okay, do you have in situ? In situ, small in situ.
No, sir.
Not yet. Okay, congratulations, Gio.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Next, call the last man, Mr. Jeter. Bugnaw ang makamot. Yan na. Come in. Good morning. What is your position applying for? Peter, how many years is Peter?
3 years here, shipyard.
Rear shipyard, sit down. Okay, describe yourself.
My name is J.D. Apiani, 22 years old, from Abuntabon, Quezon del Sur.
What else? Skills.
My skill is welder, machinist, camping, carpentry.
Carpentry. Okay, what else? Are you married?
Single, sir.
Single? Do you like our beautiful staff here on the beaches? Like? Or you come back when you are a seaman? When you come back here? So, okay. So, what do you mean by 6G position of the pipe?
6 inches, schedulity, 5
Degrees?
degrees.
What is the bevel of the pipe?
45 degrees, sir.
No. The bevel of the pipe is rough estimate 37.5 degrees. Plus 1 or minus 1. What the kind of electrodes you're going to use in road pass?
Road pass 60
11,
drilling pass 60 13, final capping 7 18.
2018. What is important in welding, Mr. Jeter? Important in welding.
My car, welding machine is repair your current ground.
Important in welding. That is safety. Okay, what do you mean by PPE?
Personal protective equipment.
Okay, outside the welding workshop, what kinds of permit are you going to prepare prior to weld outside the workshop?
At work,
At work permit. Responsible for that is first engineer or it depends upon the if you are in DIC, so chief officer, he is the one who in charge of the at work permit. You're smoking?
no sir.
Shabu?
No sir.
Red horse?
Yes sir.
Good. Okay. You know how to read the measuring tape? 22 millimeter. 222 millimeter. Millimeter. Okay, you fine? No?
No sir.
Oh, you cannot onboard the vessel without knowledge how to read this. Yeah, see 200, then 22. This 200 millimeter, 222 inches. Okay, Vernier caliper. Okay, 64 millimeter. 64. 64 mm. 64. In 1 centimeter, there are 10 millimeter. How many minutes? Is
34.
34?
6 mm.
Yes, sir.
64 millimeter. Not 6 mm. 64. 64. Oh my god, I hate drugs. $64 millimeter. Okay, I see. No. That is 63, 62, 63 only. Okay, study, Mr. Chill. Study. Come back when you are ready.
No sir.
Oh, thank you. Okay, shout out sa ating mga viewers, sa ating camera woman. Thank you sa ating episode this morning. Shout out sa buong mga ating kababayan, OFW, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, at saka sa ibang bansa. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Okay.